Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of modern Roundavel houses with thatched roofs. These unique structures blend traditional African architectural elements with contemporary design principles, creating homes that are both functional and aesthetically stunning. History and origin. A historical background. Briefly discuss the origins of Roundavel houses, traditionally found in various African cultures. Mention how they have been used for centuries due to their practicality and cultural significance. Cultural significance. Highlight the importance of Roundavel houses in different African communities, emphasizing their role in social and communal living. Architectural features. A circular design. Explain the benefits of a circular design, such as stability, energy efficiency, and optimal use of space. Thatched roof. Describe the thatched roof, its natural insulating properties, and how it keeps the interior cool in hot climates and warm in cooler weather. Materials used. Talk about the traditional materials, like mud, clay, and grass, and how modern adaptations might use eco-friendly, sustainable materials while maintaining the traditional aesthetic. Modern adaptations. Contemporary touches. Discuss how modern Roundavel houses incorporate contemporary features such as large windows for natural light, open floor plans, and modern amenities. Sustainable living. Emphasize the eco-friendly aspects of modern Roundavel houses, such as the use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs. Interior design ideas. Open concept living. Showcase examples of open floor plans that enhance the spacious feel of the Roundavel. In natural elements, highlight the use of natural materials like wood and stone in the interior decor to create a seamless connection with nature. Modern furnishings. Provide ideas on how to furnish a Roundavel house with modern, minimalist furniture that complements the traditional architecture. Landscaping and outdoor spaces. A harmonious integration. Discuss how to design outdoor spaces that harmonize with the Roundavel's architecture, including the use of native plants and organic garden layouts. Outdoor living areas. Showcase outdoor living spaces like patios and decks that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Real-life examples. Case studies. Present a few real-life examples of modern Roundavel houses from different parts of the world. Highlight their unique features and design elements. Interviews with architects. If possible, include interviews with architects or designers who specialize in Roundavel houses, providing insights into the design process and challenges. We're exploring 10 breathtaking modern Roundavel houses with thatched roofs. These homes seamlessly blend traditional African architecture with contemporary design, offering a unique and sustainable living experience. Let's dive in. House 1. Eco-friendly haven. Highlights. This eco-friendly Roundavel features solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and natural materials. Its open-plan design and large windows provide ample natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. House 2. Coastal retreat. Highlights. Nestled by the sea, this Roundavel house boasts stunning ocean views. The thatched roof and wooden accents blend perfectly with the coastal environment, while the spacious deck offers the perfect spot for relaxation and outdoor dining. House 3. Luxury Safari Lodge. Highlights. This Roundavel serves as a luxury safari lodge, combining traditional aesthetics with modern luxury. Features include an infinity pool, lavish interiors, and expansive glass doors that open up to the surrounding wildlife. House 4. Mountain Escape. Highlights. Situated in the mountains, this Roundavel house provides a tranquil escape. Its design incorporates natural stone and wood, creating a rustic yet modern look. The panoramic mountain views are simply breathtaking. House 5. Urban Oasis. Highlights. This Roundavel house brings traditional design to the city. With a rooftop garden, modern kitchen, and smart home technology, it offers a perfect blend of old and new in an urban setting. House 6. Riverside Retreat. Highlights. Located by a serene river, this Roundavel house is designed for ultimate relaxation. Features include a spacious veranda, outdoor fire pit, and direct access to the river for fishing and kayaking. House 7. Tropical Paradise. A highlights. This Roundavel house is surrounded by lush tropical gardens. The thatched roof and open-air design keep the house cool, while the vibrant interior decor reflects the island's rich culture. House 8. Desert Oasis. A highlights. This Roundavel house is designed to withstand the harsh desert climate. Its thick walls and thatched roof provide natural insulation, while the minimalist interior offers a cool and comfortable living space. House 9. Vineyard Villa. A highlights. Located in a vineyard, this Roundavel house offers stunning views of the rolling hills and vineyards. The design includes a wine cellar, spacious outdoor patio, and luxurious interiors perfect for entertaining. House 10. Forest Retreat. A highlights. Nestled in a lush forest, this Roundavel house features eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices. The open-plan living area, large windows, and natural decor create a peaceful and harmonious living space. Conclusion. Thank you for exploring these 10 modern Roundavel houses with thatched roofs with us. We hope you found inspiration in these unique and innovative designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on amazing home designs and architecture.